Hi, this is Suzanne from SL Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble my Union flag cupcake favour boxes. So once you've printed and cut your Union flag base, you need to fold all of those score lines and then put some glue onto this long side tab and stick it to the other side. Just make sure you line it up carefully. Then you need to put some glue onto those 5 remaining tabs. And then fold the base down, lining it up in the centre there first, just making sure that it all lines up. And then press it all down. Then you need to take this hexagon piece and you need to glue this inside of the base. This will help to strengthen the base and will also hide all of those tabs. Okay, so for the lid, again start by folding all of those score lines, including those little tiny ones all along the lower edge there. Then you need to take your icing panels, there should be 6 of these, and you need to glue those on. Now I'm using patterned paper for my icing panels. It's about 90 GSM. You don't want anything too thick, but you could try embossing the paper first, just to give it some nice texture. Next you need to bend the panels just slightly, just to give the top of the cupcake a nice curved look. And then starting at this left side, we need to fold each of those panels underneath the next one, like this. Just tucking that last one in, and then glue the little tab at the end. And just try and make sure all those panels are equal, they all meet in the centre. You then need to start gluing each of those little tiny tabs along the lower edge and just stick them to the next side. Just work your way around, doing each of the 6 tabs. So this will create quite a nice slanted hexagon that will fit neatly into the cupcake base. So for the rose on the top, start by rolling the spiral from the outside point, keeping that roll nice and tight. Just keep rolling it until you get to the other end, or to the centre of the spiral. And then just let it unravel slightly and secure that end with some glue. Just hold it there until it dries. So you can open up those petals slightly and then glue the rose to the top of the cupcake. Now if you've used pattern paper for the icing panels, then you could just leave it like this, or you could decorate it with the little hearts that come with the template. You could try using different coloured hearts to look more like sprinkles. And there they are, little Union flag cupcake favour boxes.